In this tutorial we will learn how to control the RGB LED random color with a 433 MHz RF Remote and Arduino. Also how to turn it on or off, or set the auto-changing color and the speed of the changing color. For this project you will need a 433 MHz RF module, RGB LED module, jumper wires, Arduino and Arduino program. Wire everything according to this schematic. Go to arduino.eu and download and install Arduino software. Start Arduino and select the Arduino board, in our case it's Arduino Uno. Add random color component. Add color value component. Add color multi-source merger component. Add RGB LED component. Select LED 1 and in the Properties window set Inverted to True. Connect Arduino digital out pin 4 to color value 1 pin clock. This will be used to turn the LED off. Connect Arduino digital out pin 5 to random color 1 pin clock. This will be used to set the random color on the LED. Connect random color 1 pin out to color multi-merger 1 pin 0. Connect color value 1 pin out to color multi-merger 1 pin 1. Connect color multi-merger 1 pin out to LED 1 pin in. Connect LED 1 pin red to Arduino digital analog PWM pin 6. Connect LED 1 pin green to Arduino digital analog PWM pin 10. Connect LED 1 pin blue to Arduino digital analog PWM pin 9. Select color multi-merger 1 and in the Properties window set input pins to 3. Add counter component. Select counter 1 and in the Properties window set initial value to 1, max value to 10, min value to 1. Add 3 integer to analog components. Select integer to analog 1, and in the Properties window set scale to 0.05. select Integer to Analog 2, and in the Properties window set Scale to 0.1. Select Integer to Analog 3, and in the Properties window set Scale to 0.15. Add 3 Sine Analog Generator components. Select each Sine Analog Generator component, and in the Properties window, select Frequency, and click on the pin icon, and select Float Sync Pin. Add Analog to RGBW Color component. Add RGBW Color On and Off Switch component. Add Debounce Button component. Add Toggle T Flip-Flop component. Connect Counter 1 pin out to Integer to Analog 1 pin in and Integer to Analog 2 pin in and Integer to Analog 3 pin in. Connect Integer to Analog 1 pin out to Sine Analog Generator 1 pin Frequency. Connect Integer to Analog 2 pin out to Sine Analog Generator 2 pin Frequency. Connect Integer to Analog 3 pin out to Sine Analog Generator 3 pin Frequency. Connect Sine Analog Generator 1 pin out to Analog to RGBW Color 1 pin Red. Connect Sine Analog Generator 2 pin out to Analog to RGBW Color 1 pin Green. Connect Sine Analog Generator 3 pin out to Analog to RGBW Color 1 pin Blue. Connect Analog to RGBW Color 1 pin out to RGBW Color Switch 1 pin in. Connect RGBW Color Switch 1 pin out to Color Multi-Merger 1 pin 3. Connect Button 1 pin out to T Flip-Flop 1 pin Clock. Connect T Flip-Flop 1 pin out to RGBW Color Switch 1 pin Enable. Connect Arduino Digital Out pin 3 to Button 1 pin in. This will be used to turn on or off the auto color changing on the LED. Connect Arduino Digital Out pin 2 to Counter 1 pin in. This will be used to set the color changing speed on the LED. On the bottom, click on the Build tab. Make sure you selected the right board and port and click on the Compile Build and Upload button.